Hello. So today's topic is Hostgator coupon codes. So let's find how to get Hostgator coupon code, verified Hostgator coupon codes. First of all, you have to search in Google OpenZ website. It's the biggest websites of coupon code where you can find United States and United Kingdom's big store coupon codes. So let's click here. It's a OpenZ website. Here you can see we have a lot of bands here. First of all, you have to click open set, and then you can see a lot of bands here. All of these bands, the maximum bands belongs to United States and United Kingdom. So we need HostGator coupon code. So we have to search here HostGator. I'm searching in a search bar. See HostGator and click on search. Then you will get 8 coupons for HostGator. Here you can see that we found 8 coupons for HostGator. You just need to click on the picture of HostGator. Then you will land on the page where you will get 8 HostGator coupon codes. So you can see here we have 8 coupon codes. First of all, we have 60% off web hosting plus free domain. You will get 60% off plus free domain by using this coupon code. Second, we have 20% off on domain. If you wanna buy a domain from HostGator, you can use this code and get 20% off. Then we have 57% off on WordPress hosting. If you want to create your website on WordPress, so you can get this offer. And then we have 60% off shared web hosting. Most of the people are using shared web hosting. You can get 60% off on it by using this code. Then we have VPS hosting 75% off. This is a huge offer. You just need to click here and get 75% off on VPS. Then we have Gator website builder. It's HostGator on website builder, and you will get 50% off on this by using this code. Then we have 64% off on reseller hosting offer by using this code. Then we have 52% on dedicated hosting. These are the some type of dedicated hostings on which you will get 52% off. So here I have explained all the offers. We have 8 offers. Now let's use how to use these offers. First of all, we have to click here. You can see get code. Click here. After the click, you will get a code. This is the coupon code. You just need to double click on this code and you can see code is copied. So now your code is copied. So when you click on this tab will automatically open. So you can see this tab is open, and what we have, first of all, we have this offer, $2.7 per month offer. So let's click on here and move ahead. We have multiple plans: hatching plan, baby plan, and e-commerce plan. This is a recommended plan. Let's click on here. $3.5 per month. Why now? So here is the complete board. You can see here. Now you can see all this form, and you need to click and fill all these details. In the last, you can see we we have already pasted our coupon code SNAPPY snappy, and we have this code on our coupon Z website, and the same code is automatically pasted here, and we get 83% $83 discount and also $476. You can see we get $389.61 discount by using this code that we have provided in this website. So here's the complete detail how you can get HostGator coupons code and you can apply HostGator coupon